Michelle here in the Ginger's Kitchen. Welcome to another delicious day. I am making some green bean almondine. It's a French side dish, and then it's a really nice way to elevate your green beans. So if you're just tired of steaming them or whatever, this is a great way to do that. It's full of flavor. So what I've done is I blanched my green beans already, which is boiling them in water. I do it for no more than 4 minutes. You don't want to overcook them because you're going to then transfer them into your skillet and cook them for another minute or two. So what I'm doing now, I've got 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm preheating my skillet. So we're gonna melt our butter in our skillet. And then once that's done, we're gonna add some slivered almonds. Now you can do the thin sliced ones if you'd like, or these slivers. I think traditionally they use the thin sliced ones, but this is what the store had, so this is what I bought. Okay, let's go ahead and add these in. And we just wanna mix them in to get them coated in the butter. And we're just gonna cook them for 2 or 3 minutes. And this is something you can sort of do ahead of time. If you think you'll be in a hurry at dinner time, you can blanch your green beans in the morning and then put them in the fridge. Okay, so my almonds are getting toasted. It happens pretty quickly, especially if you have it up too high like I did. You want it to be on like a medium low, and I wasn't really paying that much attention. So what I want to do now is dump in my green beans. And I have 3 cloves of garlic that I have thin sliced. I'm going to put those right in there. And then I'm going to take the zest of 1 lemon and just put it right on top. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you don't have to get all of it, but just get as much as you can, reasonably, without zesting your fingertips. Okay, I want to give this a quick stir. Now remember, these green beans are already mostly cooked, so we don't want to do this for too long. I'm going to go ahead and add in the rest of the butter. And then I'm going to cut my lemon in half. I want about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So I'm just going to take it in my juicer here. If you like a really strong lemon flavor, go ahead and add more if you'd like. Some of these are strictly to your taste. What do you prefer? Do what you like. Okay, fresh cracked pepper. The salt and pepper is absolutely to your taste preferences or your dietary needs. If you aren't supposed to have a lot of salt, well, maybe you can just leave it off. Use unsalted butter. There we go. Love my little salt ball. I'm going to give it another stir, and I'm just going to cook it until this butter's melted another minute or so, and that's it. These will be ready to go. Okay, these are done. I'm ready to take them out. And I'm doing it this way instead of just dumping it because I'm going to put all of those almonds kind of right on top of the plate to make it look a little more presentational. Just like this. Beautiful. They still have that tiny bit of give. Not undercooked, not overcooked. Perfect. I love grilled garlic. I don't know why it took me so long to say that. Delicious. Is there something you'd like to learn how to make? Tell me what it is down below in the comments. Thanks for joining me here today in the Ginger's Kitchen, and have a delicious day.
That's one boy.